Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel.
If you're watching this, you're probably looking for that edge, that golden nugget in the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency. And guess what? As we stand here in July 2025, there's a monumental shift happening, creating what I believe is the biggest opportunity in crypto right now. Today, we're diving deep into the trends and sectors poised for explosive growth. So, if you're ready to supercharge your crypto portfolio, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get into it. First, let's set the stage. The crypto market in July 2025 is an interesting beast. Bitcoin, after a brief dip earlier in the year, has shown incredible resilience, rebounding strongly and even pushing towards new all-time highs. We're seeing growing institutional participation, with significant ETF inflows continuing to validate the asset class. But beyond Bitcoin's strength, the broader market is showing mixed signals. We've seen some altcoins gain significant traction, while others lag. This tells us one crucial thing: it's no longer just about blindly buying the top coins. The true opportunities lie in understanding the underlying narratives and technological advancements driving the next wave of adoption. The first, and perhaps most transformative, opportunity right now is real-world asset, RWA, tokenization. What does that mean? It's simply taking tangible assets, things like real estate, government bonds, fine art, even private credit, and representing their ownership or value on a blockchain as digital tokens. Why is this so massive? Because it solves huge problems with traditional finance. Fractional ownership. Imagine owning a piece of a high-value property or a rare artwork without needing millions. Tokenization makes this possible, opening up investments to a far wider audience. Increased liquidity. Traditionally illiquid assets can now be traded 24/7 on global blockchains, making them much easier to buy and sell. Transparency and efficiency. Blockchain provides an immutable, transparent record of ownership and transactions, cutting out middlemen and reducing costs. Institutional adoption. We are seeing a huge surge in institutional interest here. Major financial players, even central banks and governments, are actively exploring and implementing RWA tokenization. Reports indicate the RWA market has surged by hundreds of percent just in the last year, with predictions of it reaching trillions. This isn't just retail hype. This is traditional finance integrating with blockchain at an unprecedented scale. Projects to watch in this space often involve connecting traditional financial instruments with blockchain, or creating platforms for tokenizing various assets. This is where the real money is flowing, and it's a trend that's only just beginning to truly blossom. Do your due diligence, but this sector is primed for significant long-term growth. Our second huge opportunity, and one that's been gaining incredible momentum, is the convergence of artificial intelligence, AI, and blockchain technology. We're not just talking about AI tools that help you trade crypto, though those are evolving. We're talking about projects building AI on the blockchain, or using blockchain to enhance AI capabilities. Think about it. Decentralized AI training. Imagine networks where AI models can be collaboratively trained and rewarded, reducing the power of centralized tech giants. Projects like Bitensor, Tau, are pioneering this, creating decentralized machine learning networks. On-chain AI applications, running complex AI workloads and apps directly on the blockchain, making them more transparent, secure, and censorship-resistant. Internet Computer, ICP, is a prime example of a platform aiming to host AI applications on-chain. Decentralized compute and data for AI requires massive computational power and vast datasets. Projects like Render, and Filecoin, are providing decentralized GPU power and storage solutions that are crucial for scaling AI development. AI agents and smart contracts, AI-driven autonomous agents operating within blockchain environments, automating complex tasks and interacting with smart contracts. Fetch.ai, FET, now part of the Artificial Superintelligence Alliance, is at the forefront of building open-source AGI using decentralized AI agents. The synergy between AI's analytical power and blockchain security and transparency is creating entirely new paradigms. This isn't just a niche, it's a foundational shift in how we build and interact with intelligent systems. Keep a close eye on projects that are genuinely leveraging both technologies for real-world utility, not just adding AI to their name. While Bitcoin and Ethereum remain cornerstones, the daily user experience, especially on Ethereum, has historically been hampered by high gas fees and slow transaction speeds. This brings us to our third major opportunity: Layer 2, L2, scaling solutions. L2s are essentially separate blockchains or protocols built on top of Layer 1 blockchains, like Ethereum, that process transactions off-chain, then settle them securely back on the main chain. This dramatically increases throughput and reduces costs. Why are L2s a massive opportunity in 2025? User adoption catalyst, L2s make crypto usable for the mainstream. Lower fees mean everyday transactions, gaming, and DeFi activities become economically viable for millions. This is crucial for mass adoption. Explosive growth. We're seeing L2s like Arbitrum, Optimism, Base, and Polygon consistently surpass Ethereum's Layer 1 activity in terms of daily active addresses and transaction volumes. This surge is directly driven by user preference for faster, cheaper options. DeFi and gaming hubs. Many innovative DeFi protocols and blockchain games are building directly on L2s, recognizing that scalability is non-negotiable for their growth. Evolving technology. With advancements like ZK Rollups, ZK-SYNC, StarkNet, constantly improving efficiency and privacy, the L2 landscape is dynamic and continues to innovate. Investing in robust, well-adopted Layer 2 solutions, or projects building on these L2s, is a smart play. They are the infrastructure powering the next wave of decentralized applications and bringing crypto to the masses. The next bull run, whenever it fully arrives, will likely be largely facilitated by these scaling solutions. So, how do you capitalize on these opportunities? Do your own research, DYOR. This is paramount. Don't just ape into a project because you heard it on YouTube. Deep dive into their white papers, team, technology, partnerships, and community. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Allocate your investments across different promising projects within these sectors. Understand the risks. Crypto is volatile. While these are opportunities, there's always risk involved. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Long-term vision. While some projects might offer quick gains, the biggest opportunities in these sectors are likely long-term plays that will mature over several years. Stay informed. The crypto space moves fast. Keep up with the latest news, regulatory developments, and technological breakthroughs.